Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your Google Photos storage in 2026. First, open Google Photos and click Storage from the left sidebar. This opens the Manage Storage page, where you can see how much storage you've used and how much is still available. Now let's look at the Review and Delete section. First, click Blurry Photos. Here, Google groups photos that may be blurry. Review them carefully, and if you find any unnecessary ones, you can delete them to free up storage. Next, go back and open Screenshots. Screenshots often take up space without being needed, so you can review and remove the ones you no longer want. After that, click Other Apps. This section contains photos and videos backed up from other apps. Check these files and delete anything you don't need. Now open Large Photos and Videos. This category helps you quickly find large files that use the most storage. If you no longer need them, you can remove them to free up space. If available, you can also open unsupported videos to review videos that Google Photos cannot process properly. Next, scroll down to the Recover Storage section. Here you'll find the Convert existing photos and videos to Storage Saver option. This feature can reduce the storage used by eligible photos and videos while maintaining good quality. Finally, you can always return to the Manage Storage page to review your storage usage and clean up unnecessary files whenever needed. That's it. You've successfully learned how to manage Google Photos storage in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.